everybody, my name is Emma. I'm a tutor for the UC Virtual Writing Lab, The Vault, and I'm going to provide narrative feedback to a BUA 420 midterm exam that was selected by your instructor as a strong writing sample that just needs a few tweaks. You can see here on the right that some feedback has already been provided on this document. For example, the first comment mentions that the first sentence of this essay gets the reader's attention and is a successful opening. The tutor also points out other positives in the writing, such as when the writer quickly establishes an answer to the test question in his or her own words. We do see, however, some small pieces, mostly APA and organizational issues, that could be improved. For example, in this according to sentence, no date appears besides the author's name, and the title of the article is not in title case. We can find on the APA-style blog that titles are formatted differently when they are in text versus in the reference list at the end. Here, longitudinal is in title case, capitalizing the first letter of each important word. But when listing the title in my reference page, I would use sentence case, using capitalization only for the first letter. So, to return to our sample essay, we can see that gas and let's are both lacking a capital letter, which is an easy fix. We can also see that the comma after the title of this article is outside of the quotation marks. We can fix that punctuation error by putting the comma inside the quotation marks. Here's another example of a small mistake in APA formatting. This sentence contains two quotes from the same article with parenthetical citation after each quoted word or phrase. Since this is from the same source, we only need one in-text citation for this sentence. You can see here that a tutor has suggested using other punctuation like ellipsis and brackets to combine these two direct quotes into one. We can also improve the citation itself, which is the article title and not the author. This is appropriate as when we scroll down we can see that the article was anonymous. But how do we make it clear to the reader that Bonanza and Bain are not author names? We can achieve this by using quotation marks. The Purdue Owl notes the proper approach. So, moving back to our paper, you can also find commentary within it that addresses organizational writing issues such as thesis statements, topic sentences, and conclusions. Where the student has included a source quote without responding to it, a tutor has prompted the student to revise, making the main argument or thesis and the concluding statement clear and concise. Are you interested in getting more feedback on APA format and any of the various grammatical, mechanical, and punctuation errors that crop up in any piece of writing? Reach out to a tutor at the UC Vault, the Bangor Writing Center, or the Augusta Writing Center. Write well.